Next, viral TikTok niches. Have you ever noticed some silly challenges video on TikTok that are ranking millions of views? Yes, the split screen one with the Minecraft or racing game video, it's simple. The content creator behind it are earning tens of thousands of dollars every single month. The thing is, those niches are too saturated. It's too late for you to come in. If you are curious, are there still niches that are yet to be saturated? The answer is yes. And if you want to know what are the best on top TikTok niches that could skyrocket your income through the Create Reward program, then stick around. I will discuss 6 of the most in-demand niches you need to know about as a seasoned TikTok growth strategist with years of experience. I'm sharing it out in my new YouTube channel to help people like you. Let's get started. Niche 1 is about creating nostalgia content, which can be incredibly profitable. Accounts in this niche consistently get between 500,000 to over 3 million views per video. With an RPM around $1, that's well over $10,000 monthly, just from the TikTok Create Reward program alone. And that's not the end of it. Those account owners often put the email address in the bios, inviting sponsorship and collaboration offers, which significantly boosts the income. It's a very important strategy I use in my faceless channel. Always include your professional email in your bios across social media. You never know which brand might reach out. Now, let's talk about creating this content. Look at this example beside me. It's straightforward. Find click on YouTube and download them for free using a site like Y2Make. Then use CapCut or the TikTok app to edit them together. Make sure your video are at least 1 minute long to qualify for the Creative Reward program. If a particular year like 2005 get a lot of engagement, create a follow-up part to maximize on that success. This method can help you go viral repeatedly, creating an endless cycle of content. Niche 2, and let's talk about marble races. You might remember them from YouTube, but lately they have been blowing up on TikTok thanks to some clever AI trick. But here's the thing, they're not just for fun anymore, they are just making serious cash. Think about it. Marble races are simple yet addictive. They keep viewers glued to the screen, boosting watch time and retention rate. Plus, they have highly interactive. People love picking the favorite characters or celebrities and rooting for them in the race. Now, you are probably wondering how to get in on the action. It's easier than you think. All you need is a smartphone, some software, and your creativity. Customize your marble, record the race, and add some voiceover. Don't worry, you don't need a professional studio. With a few online tools, you can clone any voice you want. Once you have got your footage and voiceovers, it's time to edit. CapCut is your best friend here. It's user-friendly and has all of the features you need to make your TikTok video pop. Still not convinced? Check out those top creators on TikTok. They are killing it with marble races. Trust me, this one look charges, but the income potential is huge. Niche 3. So let's talk about numbers, because when it comes to this niche, the earning potential is through the roof. And you can take a peek at some of the top creators in this space, and you will see the viewers stacking up faster than you can count. This niche resolves around a simple yet addictive concept that's been sweeping platforms like TikTok. It's all about not saying what the host says, and trust me, viewers can get enough of it. But here's the catch. While the concept might seem straightforward, there's a strategy behind the scenes that separates the winners from the rest. First thing first, to nail this niche, you will need to invest in AI voice cloner. Why? Because authentic celebrity voice are the secret strategy that keep viewers hooked. But that's not all. You have got to up your game with background gameplay. Here's where many creators slip up. Using generic Minecraft clip might get your content blocked faster than you can say game over. So either shell out some cash on Fiverr for custom gameplay or hunt down high quality, low usage clips on YouTube. And remember, keep holding your background footage to stay off TikTok radar. Now, let's talk about editing. CapCut is your best friend for stitching everything together seamlessly. With a bit of practice, you will be making viral worthy content like a pro. But wait, there's more. This niche is not just limited to parodying phrases anymore. It's evolving. Now, creators are diving into new territory with concepts like, if I talk about you, you are out. It's all about describing a person without mentioning them directly. And here's a pro tip. Engage with your audience, ask them questions, challenge them, and keep them coming back for more. After all, the key to success in this strategy is building a loyal fan base that's hungry for your next upload. Niche number 4. As simple as it is, sport comparison videos. Take a look at this example video comparing Premium League's managers' earning. It's raking up thousands of views. Plus, you can replicate this for various clubs, players, and leagues. The best part, you can edit all for free on CapCut. It's super easy. Whether it's in the NBA, NFL, or UFC, the possibilities are beyond your imagination. While the audience may not be as vast, the simplicity and repeatability make it worth your while. Niche 5. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through Reddit, getting lost in the track of time because of those captivating stories? But what if I told you that scrolling habit could actually make you some serious cash? Now, I get it. Reddit videos seem oversaturated, like everyone and their grandma's cat is making them. But here's the thing. Everyone has changed. There has been a shift in the edit video business, and it's opened up a whole new niche for those willing to adapt. See, while some creators were getting the video booted from the algorithm for recycling tired old Minecraft game, others saw an opportunity. They swapped out the overused content for something fresh, certified clip, and guess what? The viewers start pouring in. But here's the thing, despite the crackdown on recycled content, the demand for Reddit stories has not lessened. So if anything, it's more in demand than ever. So while the masses flee the scene, the smart ones are doubling down and reaping the reward. Now, I know what you are thinking, but Reddit stories seem complicated to make, easy problem to solve. That's where VSub come in. With just a few clicks, you can automate the entire editing process, leaving you more time to focus on crafting killer content. Niche 6. Have you ever seen those movies adaptation videos taken over TikTok? Even if it's not your homepage, they are ranking in millions of views. But why? Well, it's not just about the content, it's about the strategy behind it. First thing first, let's talk numbers. Sure, you can earn big with those videos, but let's be real. Without the right approach, you'll be stuck at merely 200 views per video. So what's the secret to skyrocketing your TikTok videos? Here's the deal. Nail to the niche is essential, but it's just the beginning. You need to know how to send out and grab attention. That's why you need to wait for our next video. While some TikTok niches may seem oversaturated, there are still plenty of untapped opportunities to explore. From nostalgia content to marble races and so on, there is a niche waiting for you. Remember, authenticity and creativity are key to standing out in any niche. So seize the opportunity, stay persistent, and your income will surely soar. And yeah, all of those are useless if you want to create a YouTube channel, and if you want to learn a detailed tutorial on how to start a YouTube channel, then you might want to check out this video. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you. Peace.